This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, and just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. DIY Derek's here. Come on. Strange beds. Hello, Derek.
Oh!
Hello, Derek.
It's you two again, Timsy and Top.
We're not Timsy and Top. We're Topsy and Tim.
Silly me, how could I forget? Topsy and Tim.
No, the other way round.
Oh, the other way round? You mean Topsy and Tim, that way round? Do you mean?
No.
That's not what you meant, was it? No. Now, I've been painting the ceiling. Can you see that? I've got it on me roller.
Water was dripping through our bedroom ceiling from the roof. Dad fixed the roof, but DIY Derek is painting over where the leak was inside. Can we help, Derek? Please?
Of course you can. It's my home time, so you two can help me tidy up.
Okay.
OK, one of you hold my roller while I wipe my hands.
Me.
There you are then, Tim. You hold that. Right. Thanks, Tim. Now, I'll show you where to put it so we don't get a mess everywhere, OK? Goes in
Our
there.
bedroom doesn't look like our bedroom today.
Now then, what do you think, Topsy?
Our bedroom looks funny, Derek.
Ah, yes. It's because I've covered it all in dust sheets so I don't get paint everywhere, you see? You see? Right, Tim, can you help me put the lid on the paint here? Right, push it down as hard as you can. There you go. Oh, that's good. Well done. Thank you. Right.
Tim, under here. Where? In my den.
Well done, Derek.
Oh, hi, Joy. No, I'm afraid I'm going to have to come back in the morning and give the ceiling another coat of paint.
Oh, so the twins can't sleep in here tonight then?
No, I'm going to have to leave it like this till the paint dries.
If we're going to sleep in our bedroom tonight, where are we going to sleep, Topsy? I don't know, Dad.
Right, that's me. I'm done.
Oh.
See you tomorrow, Joy.
Bye, thanks, Derek.
Mummy,
Oh, hello.
if we can't sleep in our bedroom tonight, where are we going to sleep?
Well, we haven't got a spare room, so we're going to have to think about something else. But don't worry, I've got an idea.
So have I.
Oh.
You can sleep in Mummy and Dad's bed, Tim. Boing, 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 boing.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Dad.
I saw Derek on his way out.
Did he tell you he hasn't finished painting the twins' bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're sleeping in your bed tonight, Dad.
Oh, no, you're not. Come out of there, please.
Oh.
Come on, you two.
Oh, you are far too big to squeeze in with us.
You snore anyway. Like this.
You cheeky monkeys.
But where are we going to sleep tonight, Dad? I know! We can sleep here in the bathroom. We're sleeping in the bath tonight, Mummy.
You comfy?
No.
Well, then you can't sleep in here tonight, can you? You need comfy beds for a good night's sleep. So tonight, we're having a special camping holiday.
Where?
You'll find out. But first, who's for an early bath?
Me! Yay!
Hey, come on
Dad tells us that our special camping holiday will be downstairs. Tonight, Topsy and I will sleep on the living room floor on blow-up camp beds.
Oh.
I think it's blown up enough now, Dad.
Oh, thanks, Tim. Oh, blowing up beds is hard work. I'm ready for bed myself.
Topsy's bed to do.
Okay. Almost there.
This is taking ages. Hey, Tim. Our duvets. Catch, Ted. Here come the pillows.
And the pillows.
I got little moon bunny. I'm getting Eddie, Teddy and Dr. Sausage Dog.
And I've got your books, twins.
Thank you.
What?
Roar!
A duvet monster! No! 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 Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! There's two of them! No! Being eaten! No! No! They're eating me up! No!
Topsy and Tim, come and brush your teeth, please.
In the kitchen?
Ah! You get to do things differently when you're on holiday. Go on, good boy. Go on, get him. Go on, get him. Ah!
And so we got ready to sleep in the living room.
Come on, twins, into bed.
Teddy. Is Mummy still going to read us our bedtime stories?
Of course she will. I'll tell her when you're ready.
Ready. Ready.
Mwah. Mwah.
Mwah.
Sleep well.
Shh, quiet. Let's pretend we're asleep. We were being quiet and pretending to be asleep when we heard Mummy say, I want us to move to a bigger house.
I want us to move to a bigger house, Bri. One with a proper spare bedroom. Not camp beds on the living room floor.
I think you're right. It's time to move house.
I like our house. I don't want to move house.
Topsy and Tim, don't worry about moving house now. It's time for stories.
Yay.
Would you like your night light?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
No more talk of a house move tonight, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Look at you two all snugly in your cosy camp beds. Oh, it's just like your bedroom now, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
Which story would you like first?
This one, please.
This one?
This one. And then this one.
Okay, Twintastic Tim and Twintabulous Topsy.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we pretended to be duvet monsters. But can you remember who we chased? Was it Mummy? Or was it Dad? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Dad. Watch this.
And I've got your books, twins.
Thank you.
What? A duvet monster! No! 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 Get back! Get back! Get back! There's two of them! No!
was good fun. See you soon.